is a nice kitchen. I like the timber.
Black.
Wow, and look at who's here.
Oh,
Boys, hey,
guys.
how are you guys?
Good. How are you guys?
Well, cold in Melbourne. We're going good though. Going good.
I love the difference of this one. Black, very luxe.
Shona was loving the high contrast of black and white and the softening with that beautiful Christian Cole timber feature.
I am absolutely loving their high contrast of sharp black and white and softening it with this beautiful timber.
Yes, stunning, isn't it?
This is gorgeous.
What an amazing collaboration between Kinsman Kitchens and Christian Cole.
This timber works beautiful.
Timber's in there just to soften it up a little bit. Obviously, two boys, we're going to go for that masculine feel, but we think the timber really gives it that soft edge.
The bench top, is this Sartorius Maximus?
Yeah, it is. It's the one with the 20mm pencil round.
Yeah, I think it's really nice little finish in here. And then the profile, this profile here is so cool. Like it's actually got a bit of a timber feel on it, the black.
It looks really, really nice.
You know, you've added these extra black cabinets in here with the black glass. It's really cool. It just adds that bit of pizzazz, I suppose, to the thing.
Especially when they light up. You know, it's a bit of a dim lighting and it really sets the mood. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
That's so nice. At night, that looks so nice at night time.
The sink.
Oh, the sink.
I love a sink.
So that's the Oliveri sink there.
It looks like
gunmetal.
Gunmetal.
I think we're the only ones this year to go with a gunmetal. Yeah, we did. I think it really suits our kitchen style. We didn't want to just do a black sink in there. We wanted a little bit of contrast, but not too much contrast, so the gunmetal was going to fit perfectly.
Now, I saw a pedal over there and I'm dying to see what that does.
I know what that is.
Oh, do you just?
This is the Häfele Knicker bin. Press that.
Oh, hey, now that's clever.
Yeah.
Cool. Now, is there a pantry here by any chance, or a butler's pantry?
There is, guys, right behind you. Nice and
it's
hidden right behind you there.
Oh, okay. The lights come on automatically. Fantastic.
Oh, now these.
I've seen these
I love
before.
these.
The glass climate cabinets.
Yes.
That's
Whoa.
cool.
There you go.
Bang.
How good are they?
Gives off that expensive feeling, so we thought it was a good feature just to add into the kitchen.
We've seen one important room in the house, but I really want to go see the second most important room in the house, which is the master walk-in wardrobe, the winning master walk-in wardrobe. Let's go.
Yes.
Have a look at that.
Let's go have a look.
Oh, now this is a walk-in.
Well, it's a master suite, isn't it?
We can see why this one, guys.
Thanks, guys. We put a lot of time and effort into this one. We definitely want to make a big statement.
What's this called?
Yeah.
This stone here.
That's a Frosty Carrina. So that it's got the same sort of colour tones to the one in the kitchen as well. So it's got that flowing effect.
We had this mirror. It's so cool in our walk-in wardrobe. It's the Häfele Loox Multidimensional mirror, which is so cool because it's got heating behind it, Bluetooth speaker.
Yeah, that's right. It's pretty cool.
Well, guys, I think you've done an incredible job. We want to wish you the best luck for auction, and I think you're going to do very well.
Thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it. Good talking to you.
All right. All the best, guys.
See you guys.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.